Let's see how you can automate Instagram comments in minutes. So first of all, this feature is approved by Meta API. So as you can see here, this was released way back in 2021. So now let's see how you can actually automate comments on our Instagram profile. So as you see on the right, this is our Instagram profile. So let's use static media platform to automate the comments on Instagram. So first of all, just go to tools over here and you have to go to Instagram comment automations. So here you can simply click on add. So let me add this as test. So here you can actually track comments on all posts or specific post. So let's say you are planning to do a giveaway or a contest. You can simply select that particular post and start the comment automations. Otherwise you can simply use all post as well. So if you want, you can select multiple posts as well. So if I click this button over here, it will actually display posts from our Instagram profile over here. So you can, let's say if you want to automate these 3 posts, you can do that as well. But for the time being, I'm just choosing all post over here, and the private reply to comment. So that means what kind of message should be sent to a user when someone respond to the comment. So you can have that. So what you can do is you can have a single text message, or you can create a flow. So first of all, I will explain by having a single text message. So you can add, like, let's say you are planning to offer like a particular kind of discount on your products if someone commented on a particular post. So what you can do is you can simply add a message like here is your 20% of discount coupon, maybe Instagram 20, something like that. So you can use it for something like that, and this is the public reply to comment. So that means what kind of message they see as the comment reply. So DM sent, something like that, or just send you the coupon, or maybe please check your message, something like that. So what you do is, these are different kind of variations you can use over here, and here you can set the reply. So you can reply to all comments, or you can reply to comments with kind of specific words. So let's say if someone just comment as just only discount, I want to send this message, and you can add multiple words as well. Likewise, you can actually add the comments that contain. So that means this particular automation will be triggered if the particular comment contain that particular keyword. So for the time being, I'm just using discount over here. Let me use that over here. So only if someone comment this particular keyword, then only our automation will be triggered over here. And there are more options as well, such as you can only reply to new contacts, those kind of things, and you can set the reply time as well. So if you want to delay a particular kind of seconds, you can set as well, or you can delay for minutes, hours, and you can also respond within 3 minutes for each of the comments you receive. But for the time being, I'm just choosing immediately over here. So here, as you see, only if someone comment this particular keyword on all the posts over here, then only we are going to send them a private reply, and also send a comment reply as well. So let's see, let's test this and see how this works. First of all, we have to switch this on as well. Okay, now this Instagram comment automation is active. So let's see how this actually works. So let me open a post over here and comment as a particular keyword, discount. So it is actually posting the comment over here. The comment has been posted, and it should actually send me a message. And as you see here, it actually sent me a message, this particular message: hey there, thanks for your comment, here's your 20% discount over here. So if I tap and open it, that particular message is sent to me over here, which we have set up over here. And what you can do is you can even test the comment reply as well. So basically, if I open this particular profile, it says DM sent. So one of the public comment reply we set was a DM sent. So that's why it sent me those kind of things over here. So if I open another particular Instagram post over here and try to, so let me open another Instagram post over here and try with a different kind of comment over here. hi, something like that, and it doesn't trigger any kind of automations over here because we only set this particular keyword over here. So that's why it actually triggered that particular coupon code promotion over here. So now let's see how you can actually add a flow to this particular kind of Instagram comments. So before that, we have to create a flow over here. So let me go back over here. So let me delete this one. We don't need this one. So let me go to flows over here. So let me create a new flow called test Instagram comment. So here you can actually create your own conversational experience over here. Let's just start with the text message over here. Hey there, just tap the button below to enter. So maybe you are doing a giveaway, something like that. Enter the giveaway, something like that. Enter the giveaway. So let's see. Enter to win. So here they can simply tap and they will receive this kind of message after they comment, and once they click on this button they will receive another message over here. So let's add some GIF. So let me search as contest and see what it's over there. Contest time, we can add this one as well. Just make sure you follow and hit next button below. So this is the place we are actually going to check if they are following us or not. So usually you will have to do the manual checking, but with the automation we can able to check it. So here once they hit next, we will actually do an action over here. So click on actions, and here we go to the Instagram over here, update the contact, and what we can do here is that we can actually check if they are following us or not. So here if you search as Instagram follows a business on Instagram, so that is the condition. So if someone only follows us, then only we are going to say congrats, you have just entered our contest. So if they are not following us, we are simply going to say, so we can add some gifs over here. So let's see, gifs, oops, something like that. It looks like, so this is the message which is sent if someone is not following your account. So it looks like you are not following Chatic Media, please follow and hit done below. So what we can do is we can simply add a text block containing just this Instagram handle, so they can simply click and follow our account as well. So let me add the button done over here. All right, so here if they actually hit done, we are going to update the contact and see if they are following. And so that is how this is going to work. It looks like you are not following at Chatic Media. Hit done below once you have followed Chatic Media. So that's it. So basically we have to set this particular flow in our Instagram automation over here. So let me go to tools, Instagram comment automation, click add. Let me name it as test2. So here I am again using all post private reply. So private reply in this time I'm going to use this particular flow, just Instagram flow. Public reply, send you a DM, something like that. So you can add multiple versions over here. I reply to all comments, so that's it. So if you want to put a delay, you can use this as well. So randomly within 30 minutes or even if you want few minutes delay, you can add this as well. But for the testing purpose, I'm just going to use immediately over here and click save and switch this on. So let me test this. So let's simply open another particular Instagram profile and just type a particular comment over here. So let's see what happens over here. So I have commented over here. Let me open the message. So this is the message: hey there, just tap the button below to enter the giveaway. So this particular flow we have actually just created just over here. So it will actually simply follow the whole flow. So if I press this button, enter to win, it will send me this particular GIF and it will send me this kind of messages over here. So the GIF is just loading, and if I click next, it will actually check if I am following this particular account or not. If I am not following, it will send me this kind of message. So let's see what it says. So actually I'm not following the account. So let me simply press this button at Chatting Media, follow this account, and simply click done. And now it actually allows me saying congrats, you are just entered the giveaway. So that is how you can actually create a short context using Instagram comments, and you can even collect other details such as phone number, those kind of things as well. So for example, if you want to collect phone number, you can simply click on this message block, get user data, and you can simply set this to phone number or email, and you can simply add this as a step over here before you send this particular final message. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.